This tree was so valuable, empires went to war over its forests. This is Swietenia macrophylla, the big-leaf mahogany. A giant of the neotropical forests, it's been prized for centuries for its beauty, its strength, and the extraordinary timber it produces. Mahogany can grow 30 to 45 meters tall and live for over 200 years. In the 18th and 19th centuries, it was called green gold, and a single exceptional log has sold at auction for over $100,000. Its wood is so dimensionally stable that it was used to build aircraft propellers during World War I. Each fruit capsule releases 40 to 70 winged seeds that can spin through the air for over 100 meters on tropical winds. Today, it's listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List and regulated under CITES Appendix 2, one of very few timber species with that level of international trade protection. Plant mahogany at the start of the rainy season so roots can establish before dry weather arrives. Young seedlings actually benefit from partial shade, so don't put them in full blast sun right away. Give them space, in plantations 8 to 12 meters apart. As a specimen tree, 15 to 20 meters. Do plant mahogany as part of a mixed agroforestry system. It improves soil fertility and provides habitat for wildlife. Don't plant in monoculture without managing the Hypsipylla shoot borer. It will devastate your trees. And don't underestimate the size. This tree gets massive, so keep it far from buildings. Mahogany-shaped empires, built ships, and furnished palaces. Now it needs us to protect the forests it calls home. One tree at a time, we can bring it back. Restore, protect, inspire.